Good morning, it's Johannes Jacobs from Flagship Solar. I'm just going to explain a little bit how our systems work with the current sensor and how you can make a 5 kilowatt system work like a 10 kilowatt or an 8 kilowatt system work like a 16 kilowatt system. Remember, we want to be efficient with how we use power, and we also want to be efficient with how we use money. And if we use a solar system as it is designed to be used, then we can get a far better result, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So where we install the solar system, we first have the grid power coming in, and then after the grid power, then we put in a current sensor. Just going to use a different color for that. Okay. We then put in a current sensor which measures how much power we use that is coming from the grid, and to regulate the inverter so that we don't feed power back to the grid. If we want to, it's just a setting on the inverter. If you change to being able to feed power back to the grid and being paid for that, then it's just a setting on the inverter that it's like a checkbox. After the current sensor, we have some non-backup circuits. That would be like the geyser, the swimming pool, the mother-in-law. And after that, we have the power that goes to the inverter, and then the solar power and the battery will then feed the backup circuits. The backup circuits would be lights, TV, Wi-Fi, coffee machine, just essentials. So the essentials would then be if there is a power failure, like if the cable is stolen or if there's load shedding, then it's quite easy. The inverter will run all the essential circuits. But if the grid is on, the current sensor is activated, and excess solar power and a selectable amount of battery power can feed backwards from the inverter to the non-backup circuits as well. So if you use it correctly, you can use zero Eskom. However, the grid just needs to be on for you to not use them.